Good morning, all. Yesterday, I was at the rifle range shooting my 30-30, and I had two light primer strikes. Now this one right here fired on the second attempt, but this one right here, I didn't try a second attempt on that one, but we can see that the impression on that primer is very shallow. So we're going to go into our rifle, take it apart and give it a good cleaning and inspect it for any damage or any parts that are not working correctly. Well, other than being dry, I don't see any damage. Okay. Well, let's clean everybody up. We'll put it back together. Next time I take it out to the range, we'll test it. Got some denatured alcohol right here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the firing pin channel. Make sure there's no crud in there, because if there's a gunpowder residue or whatnot down in here, that can gum up the works. Now, I like to use denatured alcohol because it evaporates. A little bit of dirt right there. See that? Just a little bit. Now, this is the first time I've ever gone in here and cleaned out the breech bolt. It's actually fairly clean. Looks like there's a little bit of wear right here. There's the locking block. That looks to be in good shape. Transfer bar moves freely. It's not bound up. Firing pin don't look too bad. Looks like there's a little bit of peening on that firing pin tip. I don't know if that's normal or if that's abnormal, but it doesn't look too bad. The pin's not bent. The rear of the firing pin looks good. All in all, I'd say we're in pretty good shape. Alright, we'll clean that bolt face. It looked a little bit dirty. Afterwards, I'll take some compressed air and blow down the firing pin channel, make sure we get all the crud out. Alright, let's go take some compressed air down that firing pin channel. Now let's check for pin protrusion of the firing pin out the bolt face. It don't look bad. I would definitely set off a primer. Moves freely inside the breech bolt, so I think we're ready to put this back together. Strange how those two didn't fire. They should have. Mechanically, I don't see anything that would prevent it from firing. Alright, let's go back together. Hopefully. These things are a bear to put back together. Nothing wants to stay lined up while you're trying to get the pins in. So here's the back end of the breech bolt. Here's the beveled side right here. There's a beveled side on the firing pin. You want the bevel sides to line up. Now if they get out of line, don't worry, we can straighten them out. Put your bolt about that far in. Let's take a look. Push the cartridge carrier down. I think we could go in just a little bit more. I think that's good right there. Let's make sure the bevels on the firing pin and the breech bolt are in line. Nope, they're not. We're going to have to line those up. See if I can do it from this end right here. Nope, still not lined up. Let's try it from back here. Okay, now the bevels are lined up. Now we're going to insert this through the cartridge carrier into the breech bolt. Just like that right there. Now, there's cutouts here in the back, and they align with the locking block. Okay. Oh, not yet. Come on now. There we go. We're in the locking block. The link is in the locking block. Now, we're going to insert the link pin. Let's get the holes lined up. Have to look down in there with the flashlight, I think. Nope, there we go. Okay, make sure it's even on both sides. Okay. There we go. Now the hard part. We have to insert the pin. Oh, we have to insert the pin that joins the finger lever to the breech bolt. Set that down like that. This is the hard part because you have to get everybody lined up. I like to use a punch to do that. And then you have to tap the pin. Gosh, that is so close. That is so lined up. What our holdup was. Let's try it again. There we go. There we go. There it went in. Okay. That's probably the hardest part right there. Now this screw, its only purpose is to keep that pin from falling out. Okay. What appears to be my hole up here. Come on, get in there. There you go. All right. There we go. Work the lever. Nice, okay. Nice. Well, hopefully next time we go out to the range, we won't have a misfire after cleaning that firing pin channel and those parts. We'll see. We'll see. All right, all. Have you a good day. I think it's a bear going back together. We'll see you next time.